looked over the kayak, looking for where the leaks might be. Those scupper holes, what do you call those? Seem like the only place to be. So I did a little job with some duct tape. As long as I don't scrape that off, maybe it'll stay and I won't fill up with water. Otherwise, I'll just make sure to stop more often and dump it out. Okay, long day today. High tide right now. Let's get going. There's Indian Key over there. We've gone a mile for this picnic and we're going to go just inside of Indian. All those tiny fish. It's petrified. Only when you pass something really stationary can you tell just how much this wind is pushing us sideways. Anyway, we're over 1/3 the way there today. Let's finish it. Passing over a little shoal, little finger right here. 2.4. Welcome to Rabbit Key. 8.81 miles, a little over halfway. Totally making it, but that's only halfway. It still seems like the rest of the day could suck. Pavilion Key out there, I don't know what that is, and straight across the way behind that boat should be Mormon Key. It's maybe 4.5 more miles, and I've got an hour and 20 minutes before sunset, so an hour and a half before dark. Just keep paddling. Howdy campers, and welcome to tonight's edition of Have You Ever Wondered? Tonight's question is, have you ever wondered how long it takes to cook noodles if you forget your stove gas? Well, we just paddled 53 miles into Florida's Everglades National Park to make sure that we're so far away that we can't go back and get some stove gas, and also that we can't get any cell reception to look it up on Google and pass along potentially false information. Sure smells good, right? Stick around and find out. Pro tip, add some protein to your noodles with those pesky mosquitoes. Very al dente, but edible. We'll give it a few more minutes. It has been 27 minutes, and if it's not ready now, then still a little al dente, but edible. Bottom line, I do not recommend this meal if you're really hungry, because it takes too long to prepare. But if you're really, really hungry, then I definitely recommend it because you've apparently out of other options and you need some food. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Have You Ever Wondered? And you can pretend that that's what the crunchiness is coming from.